Now I come briefly to happiness, which is basically a state of mind, and it's a pleasant feeling from contentment to joy. But what is the problem? Why we don't feel happy? Why 3 out of 10 or 4 out of 10? What's the reason? Basically, we are postponing our happiness. We are not trying to be happy in this particular point in time, but we are postponing our happiness. So, I shall be happy when I shall become a specialist. I do PhD. Okay? I shall have 1 million followers on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. I shall have my own house. There is my client who has a big house in Paragon City, but she is not happy. She is saying that I am going to buy a plot in DHA and then I will build a house, then I will be satisfied. I shall have a new car. Suzuki is no good. I shall have foreign tour. I shall have a son. By the way, I have got 2 daughters. I shall retire. I shall be stationed at a metropolitan city. Okada is no good. Salem is no good. I shall recover from this illness and make a statement. I choose to remain reasonably happy, satisfied, despite my life condition, for which I shall continue to do necessary problem solving. So happiness has got 3 sources. Your daily, day-to-day activities, good food, okay, and other activities, pleasures, that is pleasant life and good life, your family, work and friends. But you would not get authentic happiness unless and until you find meaning in your life. So happy family life, better relationships. So in Harvard, they are doing a prospective study and 75 years have passed. And the results of that study show that people who are happy and enjoying their life and live longer are those who have got good quality relationships. For that you need to improve your social skills and communication skills. Whenever you communicate with somebody, you need to keep in mind 3 things. What is your goal of communication? Relationship and solution. You need to go along with all these 3 things, okay? So that your relationship is not affected, your self-respect is maintained, and you are able to achieve the goal. And whenever you are giving feedback, you can use the sandwich technique. Anybody make sandwich? How do you make sandwich? आप बताइए सैंडविच कैसे बनाते हैं? Communication का sandwich. Start with positive praise, end with positive, and sandwich the critical comment in between the 2 positives. And finally, praise. This would give you a sense of meaning and direction in your life and would be ultimate antidote to various stresses in your life.